According to psychology, around 80% of human talk in groups is complaining. Psychology says your brain does more creative work when you're tired. In life, sometimes we can't think of living without that particular person, goal, achievement, but as we go along, we realize it wasn't as important as we imagined. Psychology says accepting the truth is the most difficult thing for a human. According to psychology, people who talk more are always clear with their thoughts. Psychology says it's always better to keep quiet when in anger because decisions will definitely go wrong at that time. According to psychology, people who sleep at 10 p.m. and wake up by 5 a.m. are more healthier. According to psychology, getting nervous means you are indirectly spoiling your mental as well as physical health. Psychology says a woman always knows if a man is interested in her, while men are not so aware of interest from the opposite sex. Psychology says people who make joke on themselves have a higher self-confidence. Psychology says love at first sight is true mostly for men, while women don't fall in love so easily. According to psychology, the best conversation one has is with a stranger. In a foreign country, one feels at home talking to his own countrymen, even if a stranger, and irrespective of whether they share same religion, same state, or not. Psychology says medicine works best when patients have full faith on his doctor's skills. Doubts on the doctor treating you can delay recovery. According to psychology, never force anyone to give their attention to you. Taking a cold shower every morning develops discipline, mental power, and gradually drives away all the fears from your life. Practicing simple mental math puts mind to task, forces your mind to expand, improves IQ and imagination while making you smarter. According to psychology, you shouldn't take your individuality so seriously. Someone somewhere is still discussing the old you because they don't have access to the new you. According to psychology, the best thoughts come when you're not thinking at all. Psychology says it's not about making the right choice. It's about making a choice and making it right. According to psychology, finally losing your attachment to someone who isn't good for you is a superpower. Often insecurity will have you convinced you have nothing to offer when in truth you carry a whole feast. Psychology says crying is actually good for your health. It flushes unhealthy bacteria out of your body, strengthening the immune system and relieving the stress. If everyone is happy with you, then surely you have made many compromises in your life. And if you are happy with everyone, then surely you have ignored many facts about others. Psychology says sometimes people who are thousands of miles away can make you feel better than the ones right besides you. Psychology says happiness is found when you stop comparing yourself to other people. Adults say this a lot, but it's true. You do understand many things when you're older. Psychology says sometimes it's better to react with no reaction at all. Psychology says we fall in love by chance and stay in love by choice. No matter how hard you try, you can never remember how your dream started. Psychology says you're more likely to achieve your goals if you keep them to yourself. According to psychology, depression can affect other parts of your body, potentially leading to other disease, especially cardiovascular related disease. While walking on a crowded street, keep walking to the path you want to go, and eventually people will avoid getting in your way. Having one lazy day in a week helps to make your skin clear, reduce stress, reduce high blood pressure, and makes your health better.